Well, hello there everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy and it's time to cook. All right guys, I am so excited because I am making a fantastic dinner for you today. I will be making a delicious one skillet beef stroganoff casserole. I love one skillet meals. They're super easy, they're quick, but yet they're still delicious. They're full of flavor and this one is just amazing. So let me go over these ingredients with you and show you just how to make it. You will need 1 pound of ground beef, and then you're going to need some egg noodles, and these are the wide egg noodles, and this is a 12-ounce package. You'll need 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, 1 cup of sour cream. This is a half of an onion that I have finely diced, 2 garlic cloves, and then what I have here is 1 cup of water with 1 beef bouillon cube. I have here 1/4 of a cup of red wine. Now, if you wanted to omit the wine, you could just increase your beef broth. You're also going to need some salt and pepper, and then we're going to make a delicious topping for this casserole. And this is 1/3 cup of panko breadcrumbs, 1/3 cup of grated parmesan cheese, and 2 tablespoons of butter. All right, to a large cast iron skillet, I'm going to add my ground beef, and I'm also going to add my onions. All right, then I'm going to mince my garlic. And I'm using my garlic press. All right, and I'm just going to cook this ground beef until it's completely browned. All right, so I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to add my 1/4 cup of red wine and my 1 cup of beef broth. All right, next I'm going to add my egg noodles. And I am going to go ahead and add another cup of water. All right, then I'm going to cover this and I'm going to let this cook until those noodles absorb the liquid and they're nice and tender. Now, if you love mushrooms, then by all means you can add sliced mushrooms to this beef stroganoff. Add them when you add the onions and garlic to the ground beef. My family doesn't like a lot of mushrooms. The canned cream of mushroom soup is about all they can handle, but I know that beef stroganoff typically has more mushrooms in it, so feel free to add whatever you want. All right, so my noodles are looking like they're done. So I'm going to add the cream of mushroom soup. And I'm also going to add the sour cream. All right, so the last thing that I'm going to do before I pop this casserole into the oven is I'm going to make the topping. And I'm just going to combine the breadcrumbs and the Parmesan cheese. And then I've melted my 2 tablespoons of butter and I'm going to add that. Just give this a toss. All right, so honestly, you can eat this beef stroganoff just like this, but I'm going to add some of this delicious topping, which makes it a casserole. No, I'm just kidding. I just like the crunch that you put on top. Now, if you wanted to transfer it from your skillet to a casserole dish, you could absolutely do that, but I'm just going to sprinkle some of this topping over top, and then I'm going to pop this in the oven. All right, so now I'm going to place this into a 400-degree oven for just about 5 to 8 minutes until the breadcrumbs are nice and golden and toasted. All right, that's it. that's all there is to it, to this delicious, easy, comforting dinner. So yeah, I've got to plate this up because I cannot wait to dig in. I just love the panko and Parmesan cheese crumble that's on top. It's nice and crunchy. This is just so hearty and comforting. All right, guys, I hope that you give this One Skillet Beef Stroganoff Casserole a try because it is just delicious. Well, thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.